Welcome back to this video session of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.4. Here we discuss about the factorization. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.4, factorization. Expressing any number as the product of two or more numbers is called as factorization. Expressing any number as the product of two or more numbers is called as factorization. Listen this example. 24 equal to 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So, therefore 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. 24 comes in the table 2, 3 and 4. And then 24 is also write as 1 into 24. So 1 and 24 are also factors of 24. Now we seen factors. Here 4 types of factorization is given. Factorization by taking out the common factors from each term. Common factors from each term. Listen this example. 4x square y. 4 we can write as 4 into 1. X square as x into x. Here 8. 4 into 2. Listen. What are the common factors here? 4, x. There is 2 terms. In 2 terms 4 is there. So taken out 4 and x also there. So x taken out, y also taken out. Here y. So taken out 4xy we can taken out. What's the balance here? X only. One x is there and other x is balance. Write down there here. And then in this term 2 only balance. So plus 2. 4xy into x plus 2. Next one, factorization by taking out the common binomial factors. Common binomial factor from each term. Binomial means 2. Here also 2 terms. We can take 2 terms from each term. Here, listen here. In this expression 2 terms. From this p minus 2, both the terms has p minus 2. So taken out p minus 2. What's the balance here? 3n plus here balance is 4. So p minus 2 into 3n plus 4. And then that is the binomial factors. Next one, factorization by grouping. Listen, example, x square plus yz plus xy plus xz. Listen this one, 4 terms are there. Group from x plus xy. First group this one, x square plus xy, and then both the terms has z. So group that, yz plus xz. Next term, next step, here also x, here also x. X square as x into x. So 1x is taken out means balance is 1x plus here y is balance. So x into x plus y plus here z is there. In this term also z is there. So taken out z, balance y plus x. Here both the terms has x plus y. So taken out means we get the remaining numbers x plus z. So x plus y into x plus z. That is the factorization by grouping. And then factorization by using identities. We know that identities, we can solve the problem using that identities in the exercise problems. First one, 7th subdivision. 6xy minus 4y square plus 12xy minus 2yz Listen, the numerical coefficients are 6, 4, 12, 2. Here we change xy, two terms is there, change into one term, here plus xy, 6xy, here 12xy, both are xy terms, like terms, so we can add these terms. How will you, that is 6, 12, 18xy, 6xy plus 12xy, 18xy minus 4y squared minus 2yzx. Now 18, 4, 2 comes in two tables only, that is only maximum because here 2 only. So write 18 as 2 into 9, variables are xy, minus 4 as 2 into 2 y squared minus 2 into 1 yzx. Listen here. Now take a note which one is common. 2, 2, 2. All the terms 2 is there is common, and then in variable y, here also y, y. So 2y taken out as common. Now write down the balance here. 9x is remain here minus 2, here y square, we taken out 1 y power 1, here also y power 1, 2y power 1, so that is write as y minus 1 zx, so write zx only. So 2y into 9x minus 2y minus zx is the answer here. Eighth one, a cube minus 3a squared plus a minus 3. Listen, here a, first two terms, take first two terms and second two terms. In first two terms, a is a squared, a cube a squared. So a squared is common here. Taken out a squared. We can take the least power only. So a squared. Write the balance here. A cube. We take a squared only. So remaining variable is a minus a squared taken out, so 3 is balance here, plus taken out 1 only, we can take only 1, so a minus 3, there is no change. Now see here, in both the terms a minus 3 is common, right? So taken out a minus 3. What is remaining here? A squared plus 1. So a minus 3 into a squared plus 1 is the answer. Listen the ninth one. 3y cube minus 48y. Write the numerical coefficient as factors, that is 3 into 1. 3 as 3 into 1 y cube minus 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. Here variable is y. In both the terms 3 is there and y. Y power 1 is taken out. 3 and y taken out means what is the remaining here? Y power 1 is taken out. I take 1 in power, balance 2. So y squared minus, here 3y is taken out means 16 is balance. Listen, 3y into y squared minus 16. It can be written as 4 squared, right? 4 into 4, 16. So, 3y, listen here, it is in the format a squared minus b squared form. We know that the expression identities a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, write down like that. Here a equal to y and b equal to 4. So, how will you write in the identities, that is y plus 4 into y minus 4. So, 3y into y plus 4 into y minus 4, that is the answer. 10th one, ab squared minus bc squared minus ab plus c squared. Listen, write down like that, ab squared minus ab and minus bc squared plus c squared. Listen here, first take two terms. First two terms, which one is common here? A and B. So, taken out AB. Here B is taken out. In B square, B is taken out. Power 1 is taken out. Balance 1. So, B power 1 is balance minus. Here 1 is balance. Taken out AB, so 1 is balance here, minus, here C square is common, so taken out C square, B and minus also we taken out as common, so first term change into minus into plus and second term, listen, plus, it is in plus, it is can change into minus. Now b minus 1 is common here, so taken out again, b minus 1. Now the balance is here ab minus c squared. That is the answer. Second one, factorize the following expressions. First subdivision, x squared plus 14x plus 49. Listen, x squared plus 14x plus 49. First step, see the numerical coefficient of x squared and constant term. Multiply that. Multiply the numerical coefficient of x squared. What is the numerical coefficient here? 1. So 1 and 49. Multiply that means 49 plus 49. Here also plus, plus, plus into plus, plus 1 into 49, 49. And the numerical coefficient of x, that is plus 14. Now we have to find out the two numbers. If we multiply the two numbers means we should get plus 49. We add these numbers means we should get plus 14. What are the two numbers? The factors of 49 is 7, 7, plus, plus. Listen, plus into plus, plus 7 sevens are 49. So that is right. And here both the signs are same. So we have to add the numbers means we get 14. Put the same sign. So that is also right. So the numbers are plus 7 and plus 7. Write the next step. Listen here. Write down x squared and plus 49 as it is. 14x is splitted as plus 7x and plus 7x. Take the first two terms and second two terms. In first two terms, x is common, so taken out. What is the remaining here? X square, here I take x. And then what is the remaining? X. Plus, here 7 is remaining number. And then see the second two terms. Here 49 is splitted as 7 into 7. Now in both the terms 7 is common. So taken out 7. What is the remaining here? X plus 1 7 is taken out and 1 7 is remaining here. Now in these terms x plus 7 is common. So taken out means what is the remaining? X. And here x plus 7 is taken out, remaining plus 7. So x plus 7 into x plus 7 is the answer. Second subdivision, y squared minus 10y plus 25. Here y squared minus 10y plus 25. What are the numerical coefficient here? 1. So multiply this y square coefficient and constant term. Plus into plus, plus, plus 1 into 25, 25. And coefficient of y is minus 10. Now we have to find out two numbers. If we multiply the two numbers means we should get plus 25 and add this numbers means we get plus minus 10. So 5 5s are 25, we know that. Now the sign plus 25. So plus into plus or minus into minus. So same sign will become, but here they give an minus. So minus into minus plus 5 into 5, 25. So it is correct. And then minus minus same sign. So we have to add this number means 10. Put the same sign. So minus 10 is correct. So what are the two numbers? Minus 5 and minus 5. Next step, y squared plus 25. Write down as it is. Minus 10y is splitted into minus 5y minus 5y. Now take first two terms and second two terms. In first two terms y is common, so taken out. What are the remaining? Y square in y square, y is taken out means y is remaining, minus 5. From these two terms, minus taken out, minus and 5 is common. 25 write as 5 into 5. So here also 5, here also 5. Taken out 5 as common means we get y, remaining is y here, and here 1 5 is taken out, remaining 1 5, and here plus. Minus is taken out means the numbers change their sign, so it becomes minus 5. Now in both the terms y minus 5 is common, so taken out y minus 5. What are the remaining here? Y, here minus 5. So y minus 5 into y minus 5 is the answer. Listen the third one. C squared minus 4c minus 12. C squared minus 4c minus 12. Here the numerical coefficient is 1. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 12, 12. And here coefficient of c is minus 4. Now we find out the two numbers, that is, what are the factors? 2, 3, 6. 6 2s are 12. No? Write down. Now the sign. Minus is in multiplication. So 1 is plus and another one is minus. Here minus 4. The biggest number is minus, so put minus 6 and plus 2. Now multiply that. Minus into plus, minus 6 2s are 12. So that is right. And minus plus difference sign. So we subtract that number, that is difference is 4. Which one is greater here? 6. That sign we put here. So minus 4 we get. So minus 6 and plus 2 is the two numbers. What is the next step? Write down c squared and minus 12 as it is. C squared and constant term, write down as it is. Minus 4c is splitted into minus 6c plus 2c. Now take first two terms and second two terms. In first two terms, 6 c square minus 6c. Here c is common, remaining is c minus, here c is taken out, so 6 is remaining. Here plus 12 as 6 2. 6 2s are 12. Now here also 2, here also 2. Taken out that as common, and then here c is remain minus, here 6 is remaining. In both the terms c minus 6 is common, so taken out c minus 6 as common, and remaining is c and plus 2 here. So c minus 6 into c plus 2 is the answer. Second sum, fourth subdivision, m squared plus m minus 72. Listen, m squared plus m minus 72. Here the coefficient, numerical coefficient is 1. Multiply with minus 72 means we get minus 72. And what is the coefficient of m? That is plus 1. Here what are the numbers? That is 7, 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. Here minus, here plus. So which one minus here? 1 is plus and 1 is minus. The addition of the number we get plus 1. So the biggest one is plus, another one is minus. Minus into plus, minus. 8 9s are 72. Subtract this number means we get 1. Which one is greater one? 9. The sign is plus. So the numbers are minus 8 plus 9. Write down m squared and minus 72 as it is. In between that, m is splitted into minus 8m plus 9m. Listen, take first two terms and second two terms. In first two terms, m is the common one. So taken out. Inside the bracket, m is balance here, minus 8 is balance here. Again, here 9, here also 72 can be written as 9 into 8. So in both the terms 9 is there. So plus 9 taken out, balance m here, minus 9 is taken out, so 8 is balance here. In this term m minus 8 is common. So taken out m minus 8. What's the balance here? M plus 9. So m minus 8 into m plus 9 is the answer. Next one, fifth. 4x squared, 4x squared minus 8x plus 3. Listen, multiply the numerical coefficient of x squared and constant term. Plus into plus, plus 4 3s are 12. So plus 12. And what's the coefficient of x? That is minus 8. Now what are the two numbers? That only we have to find out. If we multiply means we get, we should get plus 12. Addition means we should get minus 8. What are the numbers? 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Now the sign minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. 6 2s are 12. Here same sign, so add the number, we get 8. Put the same sign. So minus 8. Now write the numbers. 4x squared and plus 3 as it is. 4x squared and plus 3 constant term as it is. Minus 8x is splitted into minus 6x minus 2x. Listen, take first two terms and second two terms. In first two terms, 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So in both the terms 2 is there. So taken out, 2 as common and x also there, so taken out. What are the remaining? Here 2, x square means taken out 1x and here 1x, minus 3 only is there. Now in this second two terms, taken out minus as common, minus 1 as common. So what are the remaining? Here minus 2x, taken out minus means the numbers change their sign. So minus 2x means that is plus 2x, plus 3 that is minus 3. Now in both the terms has 2x minus 3. So taken out as common 2x minus 3. What are the remaining here? 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 3 into 2x minus 1 is the answer. Third one, factorize the following expressions using a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube identity. Listen, first one, 64x cube plus 144x squared plus 108x plus 27. Listen, first this can be written as 64 as 4 cube, right? 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and x cube plus 144x squared plus 108x and 27 as written as 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Again, this can be written as 4 cube x cube, that is 4x whole cube plus 144 as it is plus 108x as it is and 3 cube. Comparing this with a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube. From here, listen, 4x a cube, here 4x cube. So a equal to 4x and b cube, here 3 cube. So b equal to 3. Now write the expression fully. A cube, that is 4x cube plus 3a square 4x squared into b 3 plus 3 into a is what? 4x into b squared, that is 3 squared plus b cube, that is 3 cube equal to a plus b 4x plus 3 whole cube. So that is 4x plus 3 whole cube. 4x plus 3 into 4x plus 3 into 4x plus 3 are the factors. That is the answer. Next one, 27p cube plus 54p square cube plus 36p q square plus 8q cube. 27 written as 3 cube p cube plus 54 p square cube and 36 p q square, write down as it is. And last term 8 q cube, 8 means 2 cube, q cube. Again we can return this 3 cube p cube, that is 3p whole cube plus 54 p squared cube plus 36 p q squared plus 2 cube q cube, that is 2 cube whole cube. Comparing this with they given the identities, that is a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube. Now compare this a, here a cube, here 3p cube. So a equal to 3p. And last term b cube, here 2 cube cube whole cube. So b equal to 2 cube. Now write the expressions fully. A cube, that is 3p whole cube plus 3 into a squared is 3p squared into b, that is 2q plus 3 into a, that is 3p, and b squared, that is 2q whole squared plus b cube means 2q whole cube, that is equal to a plus b whole cube. So a is 3p plus b is 2q whole cube. That is the answer. Here the factors are 3p plus 2q into 3p plus 2q into 3p plus 2q are the factors. Whole cube means 3p plus 2q plus into 3p plus 2q into 3p plus 2q. That is the answer. Fourth question, factorize the following expressions using a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab squared minus b cube identity. Listen, first one, y cube minus 18y square plus 108y minus 206. This can be written as y cube minus 18y squared plus 108y as it is, because in the coefficient there is no numerical coefficient of y cube, so write down as it is, and minus 216, that is 6 into 6 into 6, so 6 cube. Now comparing this with a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube. Listen, comparing this a cube and y cube, instead of a given y, so we get a equal to y. Here b cube 6 cube, instead of b we given 6, so b equal to 6. Now write down the expressions fully. A cube, that is y cube, minus 3 into a squared, y squared, into b, that is 6, plus 3 into a, that is y, b squared, 6 squared, minus b cube, that is 6 cube, that is equal to what? A minus b whole cube, that is y minus 6 whole cube. So that is the answer. What are the factors here? Y minus 6 into y minus 6 into y minus 6 are the factors. Next one, 8m squared minus 60m squared n plus 150m n squared minus 125 n cube. This can be written as 8, that is 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 2 cube and m cube minus 60 m squared n plus 150 m n squared minus 125 as written as 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, so n cube. So again this can be written as 2 cube m cube, so 2m whole cube minus 60 m squared n plus 150 m n squared, write down as it is, and here 5 cube n cube, 5n whole cube. Comparing this with which one? A cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube equal to a minus b whole cube. A cube, instead of that we given 2m, so we get a equal to 2m and b equal to b cube, here 5n cube, so b cube equal to 5n. Write down the expressions. Here a equal a cube, so that is 2n whole cube minus 3 into a squared, that is 2m squared, b is 5n, plus 3 into a, that is 2m, into b squared, 5n squared, minus b cube, that is 5n whole cube. It is equal to a minus b whole cube. Here a equal to 2m, so 2m minus 5n whole cube. What are the factors here? 2m minus 5n into 2m minus 5n into 2m minus 5n are the factors. So that is the answer. Here exercise 3.4 is over. So children, practice well with the concept of factorization. I will see you again in next exercise. Thank you.